Everybody give them a shout. Let those firemen hear you.
I'm pretty sure nobody's asleep within a 20-mile radius.
Also thank this year's grand sponsors, Ace Electric, CHS Incorporated. And the folks at CHS wanted me to let you all know that this year is the celebration of the 75th anniversary of the Laurel Refinery. They also wanted to thank all of you for your the whole community for your patience during the recent turnaround. Have a safe and happy 4th of July from CHS. Pepsi Cola Bottling. Also, Big Boomer Fireworks. Connoisseur Media. Thanks 941K Sky. Thanks Jack for coming out tonight and doing the simulcast. Also, we wanted to thank Fiberglass Structures, Altana Federal Credit Union, and Jar Fence Company, as well as Woods Power Grip, Yellowstone Bank, and Crazy Mountain Oil and Gas.
That is the beauty in life's mystery. That is the beauty in life's mystery. I'm gonna live like tomorrow never. There's no end in sight. Life back out the
Okay, everybody, this is the part of the show where I need you to stand up and get your candle ready. Get your candles ready. But please